Naranasan mo na bang bumiyahe sa kalye sa gitna ng kadiliman? Hindi ba mahirap yun at malapit sa aksidente, lalo na kung kurbada at hindi mo kabisado ang daan? Kaya naman for today's episode, pag-uusapan natin ang solar street light. Paano ito gumagana at paano ito nagbibigay ng pakinabang sa bawat isa sa atin. What are solar street lights? Solar street lights are outdoor lighting systems that use solar panels to collect sunlight, convert it to electricity, and store it in batteries. When the sun goes down, they will light up using that stored energy. Paano nga ba ito gumagana? The solar panel absorbs sunlight. It converts the sunlight into DC electricity. The energy is stored in a rechargeable battery. At night, sensors detect darkness and power on the LED light. So bakit nga ba solar? Number 1, energy efficiency and environmentally friendly. Mula sa lakas ng sikat ng araw, ang solar street lights ay nakakagamit ng renewable energy, significantly reducing electricity bills and dependence on fossil fuels. Ito ay nagpo-produce ng zero emissions, tumutulong na ma-reduce ang carbon footprint and promote sustainability. Madaling salita, maganda rito, no monthly bills. Number 2, low operating cost and easy installation. After the initial investment, solar street lights reduce minimal maintenance and no electricity cost. No need for complex wiring, especially in remote or off-grid areas. Number 3, improve safety and low maintenance. Consistent lighting enhances visibility and safety in public spaces, even during power outage. LED lights and durable materials make solar street lights long-lasting and resistant to weather conditions. Ito ay nababagay sa mga remote areas, public streets and highways, parks, villages and recreational areas, parking lots, school grounds, construction sites, disaster-prone zones, urban beautification projects o sa mga lugar na limited ang access sa electricity. Para po sa karagdagang tanong, please contact our company, Good Hand Security Products Corp., now 21 years with the hotline 0917-560-9365 o pumunta sa aming 21 store branches, 7 in Metro Manila, 4 in Bulacan, 4 in Rizal, 6 in Cavite, Batangas areas. Like and follow our social media pages. Maraming salamat po.